Pecan Sandy brown butter salt. I like to put my salt in when I'm creaming the butter and sugar together, so make sure that it's incorporated nicely. Now sugar, powdered sugar, make sure we scrape down the bottom and the side. Anytime you beat, always scrape. Okay, add your egg. Okay, add your flavoring. Don't forget to scrape your side. Now your cream butter nice and fluffy. Add baking powder. And then add your flour. Add your pecan. You don't want to over mix. And that is good enough. We're going to finish the rest with by our hand. We're going to finish mixing by hand so we don't over mix the cookie batter. Now it's nicely mixed. You can scoop it any size you like. So for this tray, I'm double scooping it. So I put one scoop down. And I put a second scoop on top. And I'm going to refrigerate this. These I scoop normal size, 12 cookies on a sheet pan, half a sheet pan, and I put some cookie rings. You can get these off Temu. That's why I bought mine. Much cheaper than Amazon. They call English muffin rings. We're going to put it into preheated oven, 350, and we're going to bake for 7 minutes. Time to check the cookie. 7 minutes. Let's see. Oh, looks good. We don't need the ring. Didn't spread too much. Very good. Now we're going to rotate it and do another 3 minutes. We want it nice and lightly golden. Not a lot of color in this. Okay, I took all the rings off, and we're going to put it back in here for another 3 minutes. So this dough is chilled for about 10 minutes already. Okay, 3 minutes up. Look at that. 10 minutes, it's perfect. You want it lightly golden on the bottom. Now we're going to put in this other tray. There we go. And this we're going to put in for 7 minutes, and then we're going to rotate, because this is double the size, so it's going to take probably 13 to 14 minutes. So we'll check in 7 minutes. These cookies, very nice. 10 minutes, perfect. We're gonna let it cool off. 7 minutes up. Let's check our cookie. Look at this. Nice. Let's rotate. And we'll do another 7 minutes. 7 minutes up. Look at this cookie. Looks so good. Touch it, yeah. It's good. Okay, these already cooled down. This just came out. Okay, these came out great. Look at double the size. Nice and fluffy. We're going to let that cool down. Alright, let's take a look at our cookie. Looks great. Cool down, light. I feel very light. They look great. Let's try this. Break it open. Look at all those nuts. These look great. Let's see what they taste like. Mmm. So light and crispy. And definitely, I toasted the pecans before that I put them into the batter. So toasting your pecan up is the key. And the brown butter brings such nice nutty flavor to this cookie. Light, flavorful, not sweet at all. You can sprinkle powdered sugar on it if you like it sweeter. But delicious. Bon appetit. See you in the next video. Orange chicken. We're going to make the marinade for it. So you would need a mirin, which is a cooking wine. You can use Saotian wine as well. And oyster sauce. You can use any brand. And now here comes the soy sauce. It comes in a different array of different brand for soy sauce. You have here, this is my favorite soy sauce, but it's more like a seasoning sauce, not a soy sauce, true, because it's not really salty like Kikkoman. Kikkoman is the saltiest. They do make low sodium. And this is a dark soy sauce if you want color. So it's not really salty, it's more like for the color. And this is a sweet soy sauce where you get a color as well and sweeter, not as salty. So the combination of this and this or this would be good for your color and your seasoning. But if you can use Kikkoman, you don't need, it's pretty dark already, Kikkoman, and also salty. So you can go with this. So it's up to you, whatever soy sauce you like. We're going to make the marinade for the chicken. So baking soda is very important. This is a teaspoon of baking soda to a pound chicken. That will help keep the chicken nice and tender. Tablespoon of cornstarch. Tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, this is mirin, 2 tablespoons. Oyster sauce, a tablespoon. A tablespoon of onion powder and garlic powder. This white pepper, or if you don't have white pepper, you can do black pepper, ½ teaspoon. Mix all this up, and then we're just going to add our chicken to here.